Hey, this is Justin with DayTradeTheMarkets.com on the morning of Friday, December 21st. I wanted to do a really quick video if you're interested in looking at the overnight. It was kind of an interesting overnight. Last night we had a 50-point spike down over the course of about a half an hour, and that's because around 8 o'clock Eastern, right in here, some news came out that some of the political negotiations were stalling. But I just thought it was interesting to have a look at this in the overnight and talk about what it might mean heading into today. It's about 10:15 a.m. Eastern time as I'm doing this. But what essentially happened here was right around 7:45 Eastern, we had our first major structure of the overnight, which was a high velocity move. A little bit of follow through, couldn't take the high out, and then when some news started coming out right there at 8 o'clock, we had about a 6-point sell-off within that 3 minute. This is a 3-minute overnight chart, by the way. In the overnight, I like to push up the time frame a little bit. I tend to look at 1 and 2 minute charts during the day. That's just me. You can look at any time frame, and then the overnight, I tend to keep about a 3-minute. So that was then another major structure came in here, and then we just had this huge, within this half an hour time period from about 8 here to about 8:30 right here, we had about about a 40-point move, 45-point move spike. And so going forward, I think that this bar here will be really interesting to watch. And as actually, can we take out this basically 24.75 area? And as I'm looking at this, the market is taking that out and heading higher. So be interesting to watch. That was kind of a level that I was wanted to look at. And you could see that after the major spike, we did settle into a nice little consolidation of roughly 10-point consolidation there in the overnight for the rest of the overnight. But I just thought it was an interesting chart. It doesn't happen that we have a 50-point selling spike in the overnight too often, so I just wanted to look at that. So, looking at today, we're taking out this level right here. That'll be interesting. The next resistance then would be up at toward the high of this bar, just from the overnight. There's other things we like to look at during the day as well, but in that 36, 37 area would be interesting to watch as well if we could test that level later today. Okay, good trading, and I just thought that was an interesting chart if you were interested. Talk to you soon. Thanks.